Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with PropertyNest, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the core features of PropertyNest. Sign up for an account on the PropertyNest website. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. Identify the key areas including property listings, analytics, and support. Gather your property data, including locations, types, and pricing. Use the listing feature to add your properties to the platform. Ensure you include high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Optimize your listings by selecting relevant tags in categories. Utilize the analytics tools to monitor your property performance regularly. Analyze visitor traffic and engagement metrics to identify trends. Adjust your listings based on insights from the analytics tools. Engage with prospective clients through the messaging feature. Set up alerts to stay informed about inquiries and responses. Leverage the marketing tools available within PropertyNest. Create promotional campaigns targeting your audience effectively. Utilize social media integration to extend your reach. Consider collaborating with local influencers or real estate bloggers. Participate in PropertyNest community forums for additional support. Stay updated on market trends through the resources section. Regularly review your strategy and adjust your approach as needed. Invest time in learning about new features and best practices. Continue to expand your property portfolio gradually. Celebrate your progress and evaluate your scaling efforts regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.